Good morning, guys. It's actually not morning, it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And we have had quite the busy day already. Andrew is off uploading a video and I have been with the kids. We've gotten ourselves together. I've made our bed. I've got some laundry going. What have we done? We've been playing down in the basement a lot, which is always good when we can play with toys and not have any screens going. What else have we done? What have we done today, Emerson? What have we done today? You have pockets in your pants?
I have pockets.
Yeah, look at you go, girl. You're styling. You're so pretty. Emerson has actual clothes on today. We're not wearing sweats and sweatshirts for once. It is a yucky day out. It is raining and just dreary. So we're gonna have to do some fun things today, huh? To make this day a good day. What's going on, bud? What's wrong? Huh?
Huh?
What's wrong, brother? You grumpy?
Are you grumpy?
Are you grumpy?
Yeah.
He's zoning. Brother just had a really short nap today, so he's probably honestly ready for another one. But I'm gonna make us all some lunch really quick, and then this one's gonna go down for an NAP. Huh. And then probably brother as well.
Well, outside.
No, it's too wet to go outside, babe. Let's make some lunch. What do you want for lunch?
Eggs.
Eggs, okay, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, you can crack 2 eggs. 2. Good job, babe.
Now it's 2.
Okay, put that one in the carton.
This is 2.
Yep, that's the second one. Go ahead. Awesome job. All right, now let me get you a fork and we're gonna mix it all up, okay?
Okay.
You did pretty good. There's just one little shell in there that I'll get. Good job. Can you tell us what you're eating?
Blackberry.
And?
Cheese. Eggs.
Yeah. Today is not a bad day, but it is one of the harder days. Oakley's reflux has come back, so we took him to the pediatrician yesterday, and then we will be picking up his reflux medicine prescription today. And then Emerson is just a little sassy these days. She is all about me, that's mine, and just kind of emotional. So that combined has made for a day. It's 2:15 and I've had a granola bar for the entire day, so I'm a little hangry. So HelloFresh is coming through, and I'm really grateful that I have a HelloFresh meal in my refrigerator, and I'm gonna make that for me and Andrew to hopefully get this day turned around. Andrew is putting Emerson down for a nap. Oakley is down for a nap, so I'm gonna get to cooking. So we got the vegetarian options again this month. We got that last time and we really enjoyed it. Everything comes pre-packaged, pre-portioned. I don't have to go to the grocery store. I don't have to meal plan. It's just easy. I just go to the fridge, grab one of these little bags out of there, and everything I need is all ready for me. And all of the recipes have been really, really good lately. These are some other ones that came to our door this month. This one is asparagus risotto. We haven't made that one yet, but we did make this pasta parmesan, and that was really good. So today I'm gonna be making this truffled mushroom flatbread. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using today. Mushrooms, cheese, this is Italian seasoning, truffle oil. Wow, I don't think I've ever used truffle oil. A shallot, arugula, and then the little flatbreads. So here it is all done. This is a little arugula salad with olive oil and lemon as the dressing. And then I haven't tried this yet, but Andrew just did and said it's really, really good. So I'm gonna go have my lunch. I'm really excited because it smells so good. If you guys are interested in checking out HelloFresh for yourselves, which I highly recommend, we have really been loving it. then I will have a link in the description box below that you guys can use. So go ahead and click that link and then use the code SIMPLYHF80 for $80 off your first month of HelloFresh.
Yes,
Did you take a nap?
yeah.
Did you really though?
Yeah.
No, I don't think you did. I think you just played in your crib.
Yeah, I know.
Look at Oakley cheesing. We are discussing where we're gonna go now that Oakley is awake. Emerson did not take a nap. So now is the perfect time to get out of the house and run some errands that I have had on my to-do list. They gotta get done today. So we need to go pick up his prescription, Oakley's prescription. We need to go set up a P.O. box. Yes, we do. You're so cute. Tonight, this guy's getting his first bite of food. Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Yeah! So we just went shopping, looking for things for Oakley and Emerson's room, and we did find some cute things, but it was very busy. And poor Oakley, his reflux is just making him like grunt like crazy. So I feel really bad for him. So we just left and we didn't buy anything. The line was really long, so we are just on our way home now. We're gonna stop and pick up Oakley's prescription and then probably just go home and hang out in the basement and play with the kids and try and get some good quality fun time in. Plant update. We have lots and lots of budding, you know what I'm trying to say, plants here. So these are zucchinis. These right here are zucchinis. These are cucumbers. And then these are tomatoes. So the zucchinis and the tomatoes sprouted first. And then these are some more tomatoes. And then I don't know why. Some of them are sprouting, some of them aren't. I don't know if we just had like a watering issue. We did have a 2-year-old helping to water, so that could have been a main factor. These are okra right here. And then let's see what else we have. These are the yellow squash. And then the green beans actually are doing really well as well. So we're growing stuff, huh?
Yay!
Yeah. Oh. I ended up putting the camera away for the rest of the night. We didn't really have dinner. We kind of just like makeshift made whatever sounded good to each of us. We put the kids to bed, and then I ended up making a carrot coffee cake just because it sounded really good. It was actually a paleo recipe, so it was a little bit on the healthier side. It turned out pretty good. I probably should have cooked it a little bit longer, but it was the first time I've ever baked kind of healthier, so I will tweak the recipe and I would definitely make it again. It was really good. But when I was making it, I couldn't help but just become really relaxed, and I started thinking about how beautiful it is to take the time to step away from your phone and technology and just the rush of life and make something with your hands. I had nothing else to do but just make something with my hands, and it just was a good feeling. I felt relaxed. I felt myself. And last month was a really busy month for us, me especially. But I came out of that month feeling burnt out and feeling just mentally and physically exhausted. And so I walked into the month of April feeling like I just needed to step back and take a breather. I feel like I am in a place entering April where I need to just kind of not rest as in like I'm not going to be working, but like take a step back from the rush and the busyness and the craziness of life and just enjoy things and enjoy my babies. And it almost feels like it's a season of waiting for what's next for us. I don't even know what that means, but I just have this sense in my heart that I need to just rest and I need to slow down and enjoy life rather than rushing and working myself into the ground. And it's been really nice so far. I still kind of feel guilty sometimes for not maybe rushing like I have been, but at the same time, it's a beautiful time. And I had a great time making that cake tonight. So I'm going to continue on with this good, like, calm, zen type of feel that I'm feeling. And I'm going to get in this bathtub. I'm down in the basement so that I don't wake up any of the babies. But I'm going to just take a bath and I'm going to read a couple books. I have a chicken book, and then I do have a business book that I will maybe look at if I'm feeling it. But for sure, I'm just going to, like, relax. And I think that's good to do sometimes. But thank you guys for watching this video. I have no idea even what I filmed. It probably wasn't the most exciting vlog, but I appreciate you guys watching and following along with our family. Some days are really exciting, but some days are just, not every day is exciting. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it regardless. But I love you guys so much, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys so much. Oh, and don't forget to check out HelloFresh. Use the link in the description box below, and then use the code SimplyHF80 for $80 off your first month with HelloFresh. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.